In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix site mobile-friendly. As we know, having a mobile-friendly website is essential in today's digital age, where a significant portion of web traffic comes from smartphones and tablets. Let's dive in and learn how to optimize your Wix site for mobile devices efficiently and effectively. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. If you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, it's designed to be user-friendly, providing easy access to various site management tools and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Design Site. Click this to open the Wix website editor. This editor is a powerful tool, giving you the ability to customize your site's appearance and structure extensively. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard, clearly marked for easy access. Next, in the website editor, you'll notice an icon at the top that looks like a smartphone. This is the button you need to click to switch to the mobile view of your site. Switching to mobile is crucial because it allows you to see exactly how your site will appear on smaller screens. The mobile view is essential because a website designed solely for desktop may not translate well onto mobile devices, and that's something we want to improve here. As soon as you switch to mobile view, your website will be displayed in a format that's compatible with smartphones. You'll now have the opportunity to make specific changes targeted to enhance the mobile user experience. This step is important because it lets you address issues like font size, button placement, and overall navigational flow, which might differ from how they appear on larger screens. Now it's time to customize. You should ensure that all the essential elements of your site are easily accessible and look aesthetically pleasing on mobile. This may include adjusting text size, repositioning images, and ensuring buttons are large enough to tap easily with a finger. Remember, a clutter-free and smooth mobile interface encourages visitors to stay longer and explore more on your site. Once you've perfected the mobile view, it's time to finalize your changes. Click Update to save your work, then head over to Preview to see a live version of how your site will function on mobile devices. If everything looks good and works seamlessly, go ahead and click Publish. This will make all your changes live, ensuring your visitors have the best mobile experience possible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've optimized your Wix site for mobile users. By ensuring your site is mobile-friendly, you're not only improving user experience, but potentially increasing your site traffic and engagement. Thanks for